students, a big welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really well. Let's read a very beautiful story and a very interesting story. Grandfather's love for a tiger. Let's get started. Label the tiger given below. Okay, so you have to label this tiger which is given over here. Okay. Values learned: love for animals, expedition and exploration. Once grandfather found a tiger cub on a hunting expedition in the Tarai jungle. Though grandfather was not a great hunter, yet he knew the forest of the Shivalik Hills better than any other person. He was requested to accompany the party to advise them on the terrain and the direction the hunters should take as soon as the tiger was spotted. The party reached the camp in the jungle. There were also about 15 elephants for the hunters. The sportsmen had never seen a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, though they had seen a number of deer, peacocks and wild bears. So grandfather को एक बार टाइगर कब मिला, टाइगर का बच्चा, जब एक हंटिंग एक्सपीडिशन पे गए थे. सो हालांकि वो ग्रेट हंटर तो नहीं थे, बट उनको जो शिवालिक से उसके फॉरेस्ट के बारे में उनको अच्छे से जानकारी थी. सो एक बार एक पार्टी ने उनको एडवाइस किया कि उनके साथ वो चलें, ओके, और उनको डायरेक्शन दे हंटर्स को, जिससे कि वो टाइगर को स्पॉट कर सके. They were giving up all hopes of finding any tiger and planning to shoot at jackals when grandfather, while strolling down the forest at some distance from the rest of the party, found a tiger cub about 18 inches long hiding among the roots of a banyan tree. Grandfather picked him up and brought him home. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have begged any dead or alive. The tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in a feeding bottle. But the milk proved too rich for him, and after some days he was put on a diet of mutton, followed by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. So अब जो हंटर्स की जो पार्टी गई थी, उन्हें कोई भी टाइगर तो मिल नहीं रहा था, तो उन्होंने सारी उम्मीदें ही छोड़ दी थी. इतने में ग्रैंडफादर को एक टाइगर का बच्चा दिखा विच वॉज 18 इंचेस लॉन्ग. तो उसे घर लेकर आ गए, और उसके बाद पहले तो शुरुआत में उसको फीडिंग बॉटल में मिल्क दिया गया, बट उसके बाद उसकी डाइट चेंज कर दी गई, उसको मटन दिया जाने लगा, और उसके बाद पिजन्स एंड रैबिट्स भी. Timothy was provided with two companions, Toto, the monkey, who was bad enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy. Okay, so Timothy के दो friends थे, एक था monkey, उसके companion, और एक था puppy. Okay. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. He would make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreat to a safer distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. तो शुरुआत में टिमोथी जो उस पपी से डरता था, बट फाइनली फिर वो दोस्त बन गया और उसको अपनी बैक में वो क्रॉल करने देता था, उसको रेस्ट करने देता था. One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone who would play with him. When I came to live with grandfather, I too became one of his favorites. With the crafty look, his glittering eyes and body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back, kicking with delight and pretending to bite my ankles. Okay. और जब मैं अपने grandfather के घर गया, तो उसके बाद जो Timothy था, वो उसका भी मैं favorite हो गया. Okay. Timothy was by his time a full-grown cub. When I used to take him out for a walk, people would move to the other side. When he pulled on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. The drawing room was his favorite place in the house. He would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. अब Timothy जो था एक fully grown ये कब था, okay? Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. He used to sleep in the cook's quarters and was always delighted at being let out in the morning. Okay. अब Timothy क्या था, जो cooks का जो quarter था, वहाँ पे ये सोया करता था. When Timothy became 4 years old, a change came into him. He grew steadily less friendly to others. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a rat or someone's pet dog. Sometimes at night, he would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry farm, and in the morning there would be found feathers all over the veranda. So Timothy had to be chained up more often. Watching his habits, grandfather decided that it was time to transfer him to a zoo. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were too glad to receive a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger as a gift. अब टिमोथी 4 साल का हो गया था, लेकिन उसमें कुछ चेंजेस आने लगे. अब वो क्या करता था, जैसे मेरे साथ वॉक पे जा रहा है तो रैट को स्टॉक करेगा या किसी के डॉग को स्टॉक करेगा. और रात में क्या होता था कि जैसे कैकलिंग साउंड आती थी पोल्ट्री फार्म से, और मॉर्निंग में देखते थे कि सारी तरफ फेदर्स होते थे. सो टिमोथी को अब चेन में बांध के रखना पड़ता था. नाउ इसके बाद उसकी हैबिट देखे ग्रैंडफादर को लगा कि अब टाइम आ गया है इसको जू में शिफ्ट करने का। तो जो नियरेस्ट जू था वो लखनऊ में था, और जब वो जू अथॉरिटीज़ को मिला तो वो बहुत ही खुश थे, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही सिविलाइज्ड टाइगर उन्हें एज ए गिफ्ट मिल रहा था। About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, the grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to know how Timothy was getting in. On reaching at the zoo, grandfather made straight to the particular cage in which Timothy had been entombed. The fully grown tiger was there crouched in a corner with a magnificent striped coat. अच्छा, 6 महीने के बाद ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स को विजिट करना था किसी रिलेटिव को लखनऊ में। सो ग्रैंडफादर ने क्या सोचा कि क्यों ना वो टिमोथी से मिल के आ जाए। ओके, हेलो टिमोथी, सेड ग्रैंडफादर. Climbing the railing with ease, he put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears. Whenever he growled, grandfather smacked him. He licked grandfather's hands and sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Grandfather shooed the leopard and the tiger returned to lick his hand, but every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars and he had to slink back to his corner. इसके बाद ग्रैंडफादर जो है टिमोथी को बोलते हैं हेलो टिमोथी। उसके बाद जो है टाइगर आता है और ग्रैंडफादर को अलाउ करता है कि दोनों हैंड्स वो उसके हेड पे रख सकें। ग्रैंडफादर ने उसके फॉरहेड को स्ट्रोक किया, उसके ईयर्स को टिकल किया, बट एक लेपर्ड भी था उस केस में, was snarling at him. By this time, a number of people had gathered to watch the reunion of the tiger and grandfather. The zookeeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. I'm talking to Timothy, answered grandfather. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? I haven't been here for long, replied the zookeeper. Please, you go with your conversation. I have never been able to touch him myself. He's always bad-tempered with me. Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. That leopard keeps him frightening. I'll go and tell the superintendent about it. इस टाइम तक काफ़ी लोग इकट्ठा हो गए थे टाइगर और ग्रैंडफादर का रीयूनियन देखने के लिए। तो जूकीपर जो उन्हें पुश करते हैं और कहते हैं कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं। तो क्या मैं टिमोथी से बात कर रहा हूँ। तो वो कहते हैं कि मैं 6 महीने पहले इसे आपको देके गया था, क्या आप यहाँ नहीं थे? तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं काफ़ी टाइम से यहाँ नहीं हूँ, और ये जो टाइगर है काफ़ी बैड टेम्पर्ड है। ओके, और ये तो मुझे टच भी नहीं करने देता। तो ग्रैंडफादर उसको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप कहीं और से क्यों नहीं शिफ्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो लेपर्ड है इसे डराता रहता है। सो कहते हैं कि ग्रैंडफादर कहता है कि मैं सुपरिटेंडेंट से बात करूँगा। Grandfather went in search of the superintendent but could not make it. So after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he turned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. It was about evening. He took to stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he saw another keeper observing him from a little distance. Grandfather recognized him as a keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. You remember me? Asked grandfather. Why don't you shift Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? But sir, stammered the keeper, it's not your tiger. I know, said grandfather testily. I know he is no longer mine, but you may at least take my suggestion. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. Died? Exclaimed grandfather. Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month and he is dangerous. Grandfather could not think of anything to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. Grandfather took what seemed to him the time to withdraw his hand from the cage and return home. With his face to the tiger, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and walked out of the zoo. अब ग्रैंडफादर सुपरिटेंडेंट को ढूंढने गए, बट वो उन्हें मिले नहीं। तो अब शाम का टाइम हो गया था, अब गुड बाय करने का टाइम था टिमोथी को। सो वो उसे स्ट्रोक कर रहे थे, स्लैप कर रहे थे 5 मिनट तक। तब तक उन्होंने देखा कि कीपर उसे ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है थोड़ी डिस्टेंस से। तो ग्रैंडफादर उसे पहचान जाते हैं, और क्योंकि जब टिमोथी को लेकर आए थे वो वहाँ पे थे। सो ग्रैंडफादर पूछते हैं, आपको मैं याद हूँ? तो वो कहते हैं कि क्यों आप टिमोथी को किसी दूसरे केज में क्यों नहीं शिफ्ट करते? ओके, तो वो कहता है बट सर, वो कहते हैं, वो उन्हें रोक देते हैं। वो कहते हैं इट्स नॉट योर टाइगर। वो कहते हैं ठीक है, मेरा टाइगर नहीं है, मुझे पता है, बहुत टाइम हो चुका है, इट्स नो लॉन्गर माइन। तो कहते हैं, कीपर कहते हैं कि मुझे अच्छे से याद है आपका टाइगर, वो 2 महीने पहले ही मर चुका है। ओके, तो ग्रैंडफादर काफ़ी बहुत चक्के से रह जाते हैं, पूछते हैं डाई? कहते हैं यस सर, निमोनिया की वजह से वो मर गया, और ये जो टाइगर है ये हिल्स में ट्रैप था और ये बहुत ही खतरनाक है। अब ग्रैंडफादर कुछ नहीं और सोच पाते हैं और देखते हैं जो टाइगर था दैट वाज स्टिल लिकिंग हिज आर्म, मीन्स ग्रैंडफादर्स आर्म वो लिक कर रहा था। सो ग्रैंडफादर ने अपना हैंड विड्रॉ किया एंड देन ही मम्बल्ड गुड नाइट टिमोथी, और फिर वो जू से चले गए। मॉरल लर्न्ड, we should always love animals and take proper care of them, but we should also be aware of the dangerous animals which might cause harm to us. देखिए हमें हमेशा एनिमल्स को प्यार देना चाहिए, उनका ख्याल रखना चाहिए, बट हाँ जो डेंजरस एनिमल्स हैं उनसे भी दूरी रखनी चाहिए, उनसे अवेयर रहना चाहिए ताकि वो हमें कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचा सके. ओके, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. Multiple choice questions. A. Tick the correct option. Number 1. The jungles were called dash. Number 1. Sundarbans. 2. Goat. 3. Khadar. Or 4. Tarai. And the answer is